Bitcoin has just shattered another all-time high, but the real story isn't the price tag. It's the unprecedented chain of events that followed. What we witnessed in the hours after this peak sent shockwaves through the financial world, leaving even seasoned analysts scrambling for answers. This wasn't just another bull run, it was a fundamental shift. While traditional markets grappled with volatility and inflation fears, Bitcoin decoupled in a way many thought impossible. We saw a massive influx of institutional capital not as a speculative bet, but as a strategic hedge against global economic uncertainty. This is the moment crypto pioneers have been predicting for years. In today's deep dive, we're going beyond the headlines. We'll dissect the on-chain data to reveal who is buying and selling, break down the latest regulatory whispers, and hear from leading experts on whether this momentum is sustainable. We'll explore the technological upgrades that could send Bitcoin's utility, and its price, into the stratosphere. Welcome to our channel, your premier destination for institutional-grade Bitcoin analysis. Our mission is to provide you with actionable intelligence. To ensure you never miss a critical update in this fast-moving market, take a moment to subscribe and activate notifications. As a thank you, all new subscribers receive our exclusive Bitcoin Trading Starter Kit, a guide valued at $50. It's packed with risk management strategies, technical analysis indicators, and security tips. Don't miss out on this limited-time offer. Let's start with Bitcoin's current price action and what the charts are telling us. Bitcoin is currently navigating a critical price zone that has captured the undivided attention of both institutional and retail investors. After a powerful rally, the price has entered a period of consolidation, a classic market phase where buyers and sellers battle for control, building energy for the next major move. On the charts, this is forming what many analysts see as a bullish continuation pattern. A decisive break above resistance could ignite the next rally. While volatility creates short-term uncertainty, on-chain data reveals a compelling story. Large wallets, or smart money, are steadily accumulating during this period, signaling strong conviction in future price appreciation. This accumulation aligns with increasingly bullish sentiment from leading analysts. Many are forecasting a new all-time high, with some models projecting targets well into the six-figure range within the next year. These predictions are not arbitrary, they're based on a convergence of factors. Technical analysis shows healthy consolidation without signs of being overbought. On-chain metrics reveal that long-term holders are stronger than ever, and coins are moving off exchanges, reducing sell-side pressure. And fundamentally, the network's security and user growth continue to set new records. A primary driver of this confidence is the relentless wave of institutional adoption. This is a paradigm shift. Major corporations and investment funds are no longer just experimenting, they are systematically increasing their Bitcoin allocations. They view it as an essential portfolio component, a digital store of value akin to digital gold, and a powerful hedge against inflation and currency devaluation in an uncertain macroeconomic environment. Fueling this rush is Bitcoin's unique monetary policy, epitomized by the halving. This event, which occurs every 4 years, cuts the new supply of Bitcoin in half, creating a predictable supply shock. With institutional and retail demand on the rise, this shrinking supply exerts powerful upward pressure on price, based on simple economics. Bitcoin's resulting inflation rate is now lower than that of gold, strengthening its case as a superior long-term store of value. Historical data shows the periods following halvings are often marked by exponential growth, and many believe this cycle will be no different. Adding to the tailwinds is a maturing global regulatory landscape. The era of uncertainty is giving way to clearer frameworks in major financial hubs. This provides the legitimacy and legal certainty that large conservative institutions require. The most impactful outcome of this has been the landmark approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs. This was a game-changer, opening the floodgates for mainstream capital. For the first time, anyone with a brokerage account can easily invest in Bitcoin, and the billions of dollars in inflows since their launch prove the immense pent-up demand. Beyond its investment case, Bitcoin's utility is expanding. The Lightning Network, a Layer 2 solution, is making small, fast, and cheap transactions a reality, boosting its viability for everyday payments. At the same time, more corporations are adding Bitcoin to their treasuries, treating it as a reserve asset to protect against fiat debasement. Underpinning all this is the network's unparalleled security. The hash rate, a measure of the network's computing power, is constantly at or near all-time highs, making it the most secure computing network on the planet. The ecosystem is also experiencing a renaissance in development. It's no longer just about payments and storing value. New protocols like ordinals and runes have unlocked the ability to create NFTs and other tokens directly on Bitcoin, sparking a wave of innovation. This has led to the emergence of BTC-Fi, Bitcoin native decentralized finance, which allows holders to lend, borrow, and earn yield on their assets, dramatically expanding the network's utility and attracting a new generation of builders and users. So, what does this all mean for you? It's crucial to look at the full picture. On the technical side, watch for a breakout from the current price range. For on-chain insights, monitor exchange flows. Coins moving off exchanges is a bullish sign. Use sentiment indicators like the Fear East Greed Index to understand market psychology, remembering that extreme fear can be a buying opportunity. While Bitcoin's correlation with stocks can fluctuate, its long-term value is driven by its own unique fundamentals. The combination of proven scarcity, massive institutional inflows, regulatory clarity, and a rapidly expanding ecosystem creates a powerful, multifaceted case for Bitcoin's continued growth. To summarize today's analysis, Bitcoin's outlook is underpinned by three powerful trends. First, its fundamentals are stronger than ever, with network security consistently reaching new peaks. Second, institutional adoption is now a present reality. The launch of spot ETFs by financial giants like BlackRock has unlocked a massive flow of capital and conferred a new level of legitimacy. Finally, the global regulatory environment is maturing from ambiguity to acceptance, with key approvals in the US and Europe providing the clarity needed for mainstream integration. This convergence creates a compelling investment thesis. For long-term investors, Bitcoin solidifies its role as digital gold, a hedge against inflation. For active traders, this new era demands a disciplined strategy. We advocate for principles like dollar-cost averaging to smooth out volatility and building a position over time. A prudent portfolio allocation, even a small one, can provide significant asymmetric upside as Bitcoin moves towards genuine mainstream acceptance. Looking ahead, key catalysts appear positioned to drive the next bull cycle. The most significant is the upcoming Bitcoin halving, an event that reduces new supply and has historically preceded major price appreciation. Additionally, technological improvements on Layer 2s like the Lightning Network are enhancing scalability, making Bitcoin more viable for transactions. These developments form a strong basis for a continued upward trajectory. If this analysis was valuable, ensure you're subscribed with notifications on. The crypto space evolves daily, and our channel is your source for staying ahead of the curve with timely market insights. We also want to hear from you. What's your price prediction for Bitcoin by year-end? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video if it helped you today. For more advanced strategies, check out our next video on crypto portfolio management, linked in the description. It's essential for building a resilient crypto portfolio. Thanks for watching. As a final thank you, claim your free Bitcoin trading guide by subscribing. Stay sharp, invest wisely, and we'll see you in the next video.